Hey guys, I'm back in a video today. Today I'm doing Bourjois. Never know how to say that name, but yeah. If you liked the look of this makeup, then keep watching. So first of all, I'm gonna use Bourjois Healthy Mix Anti-Fake with Vitamin Mix Concealer in 53. I'm gonna cover this massive ass spot I've got on my face. And there's one here. Chin spots are literally the worst. Next I'm taking Bourjois Healthy Mix with Vitamin Mix Foundation. So the concealer and the foundation are both in the same collection. As you can see, it's quite a dewy, healthy glow foundation, so good for people with dry skin. Next, I'm just going to go back in the concealer under my eyes, hide them bags. Okay, next we're going to use setting powder. It's a loose powder. To my surprise, this is actually pink. So it'd be better if you had obviously like cool toned skin, rosy kind of skin, because it would probably blend better. You've got yellow skin and then you're putting pink powder on. It might look a bit weird. I was just about to use a brush, but no. So take a little sponge and just set it under your eyes. But this powder smells so nice. It does smell rose. So it's a nice floral scent. So your face will smell of flowers. So while that's setting in, we can bronze and highlight. This is the Bourjois Duo Bronzing Powder Highlighter and Bronzer. It actually smells of chocolate, but I don't actually like this because, for one, the pigment in both the bronzer and highlight is quite light. I wouldn't even use this as a highlighter because it's barely there, you can't see it. And I like in your face highlighters. So if you're looking for a more natural kind of face, this duo would be good for you. I did get in the darker one, there is a lighter version of this. Oh, I actually got both brushes at the same time. So let's bronze. And it also takes a while. You have to like really get in there because of how no pigment. Like, can you even see anything at all?
1 hour later.
Yeah, this isn't one for me. I mean, you can see a difference, but nothing major for me. While the setting powder is setting, I won't do my highlighter just yet. I will go in with the brows. I have actually been using this brow pencil for quite a long time because look how small it is. Like, that's how small my brow pencil is. It is like tiny. The lid is literally like bigger than the pencil. I do like this pencil, it's quite good. And I like it comes with a end of a brush, because some eyebrow pencils don't come with a brush. So yeah, let me do my brows. it's a very natural look. I didn't buy any eyeshadow or eyeliner. I found with drugstore palettes, like in terms of eyeshadow, it's not worth it. They charge you about £10–15 and the quality is so crap. You might as well just throw it in the bin. So when it comes to these one brand videos, I don't actually buy many eyeshadows unless I really love the look of it, which half the time I don't. Which is why I've only got eyeshadow looks for like Makeup Revolution, Miss 40. Even then, I bought Miss 40, I bought one little white eyeshadow pan and I think I'm throwing that away now. I literally don't use it. So instead of wasting your money, buy things you're actually gonna use. And mascaras, you can't go wrong, and it can be added to your everyday natural look. So this is the Mascara Effect Push Up Volume Glamour. It is a fat one. I'm starting to realise with these videos I don't like fat mascaras, they just get in the way. I don't think you can see. Compared to like Revlon's, this is pretty small. It's just the bottle is quite big. So let's apply this. Okay, so mascara's on now. It's quite clumpy, so if you like to find eyelashes, this won't be the one for you. And also, it's a pretty basic mascara. So, and it's quite pricey because Bourjois isn't the cheapest off the drugstore. So, you could probably just get something that looks exactly the same, but cheaper. I did my under eyelashes and probably should have removed the powder beforehand, because now I'm probably going to get black under eyes. And also the brush was a good size to do under eyelashes, unlike Revlon's. Impossible to do. Funny enough, I was adding things in the subscription bar for you to like search for, because I do that with products. Turns out Revlon's mascara that I used doesn't actually sell anymore. I wonder why, because it weren't really that good. So let's move on to brushing the powder away. Okay, let's see. It actually does a good job. I don't know if you'll be able to tell, but it brightens your under eyes really well. You probably don't even need highlighter. Probably actually highlights your under eyes more than the highlighter does, because it's non-existent. This highlight is actually a pinky. It's weird. It's like a pinky shade. You'd think it'd be like normally white or gold. You kind of have to get quite a lot for it to show up. What was that sound? I don't think you can tell. Yeah, I don't think you're going to tell in this video, but I mean it's there. You can kind of see my cheek. And this is quite expensive too. It's like, is it like £8.99 or something? It's like nearly £10. And why? So that's the highlight. As you can tell, you'll like it if you don't like makeup. It'd be good for like a no makeup look. So last but not least is the lips. I actually have a liquid lipstick, Rouge Edition Velvet. It's in the colour 7. I hate when brands number colours. It's like, how am I supposed to know what colour that is? Oh, it says on the side Nudist. So it's in the colour Nudist. It's a nice pink natural kind of look. Let's apply this without it getting everywhere. As you can see, it's quite like a baby pink kind of colour. It kind of smells like sweets. It doesn't have like a vanilla kind of scent. And yeah, that is everything. A very natural, everyday kind of look. So yeah, that is the end of the video. Hope you guys liked and enjoyed, and until then, I'll see you guys next time. So first of all, I'm going to use Bourjois. I can't even say the brand. Bourjois.
It was at this moment that she knew she fucked up.